students. In your notes and coins in this chapter series textbook, page number 57. Page number 57. Series fourth one question. Price tags are put on each atom in a shop and children buy different items of their choice. How much money should each one pay? Here some atoms are given and prices are also here. Then children pay these different atoms of their choice. How much money should each one pay? See this first one. Picture. Sana bought a doll and a book. Sana bought one doll and one book. Then you see in this picture, doll. How many dolls are here? Here doll. 1, 2, 3, 4 dolls. But one doll price is here 60. See here. One doll price rupees 60. Then here 4 dolls. How many dolls here? 4 dolls means 60 into 4. How many? 240 rupees. 240 rupees. And a doll and a book. But she bought only one doll. Means one doll price is rupees here only 60. And a book. Book see here. Where is book here? Here. And one book is price is this here rupees 20. One book price rupees 20. Then Sana should pay how many rupees? 60 plus 20, 80 rupees. Then next one see Vedant. Next see this Vedant. Vedant bought 2 bananas. Here one banana, see here, 1 dozen bananas cost is 36. Then in 1 dozen how many bananas here? 12 bananas. Then one banana cost is here 3 rupees. 12 3s are 36. Then Vedant bought 2 bananas. 2 bananas means 2 into 3 rupees 6 rupees. And a glass of milk. One glass of milk. See here, price is given. One glass of milk here, rupees 15, one glass. Then one glass of milk here, price rupees 15. Then Vedant should pay how many rupees? 15 plus 6, 21 rupees. Vedant should pay here 21 rupees. Then third one see Prachi. Prachi bought a teddy bear and a toffee. A teddy bear means only one teddy bear. See here teddy bear here. One teddy bear cost is here rupees 80. Prachi bought one teddy bear rupees 80. And one toffee. Here picture of this toffee, 2 bananas, a teddy bear and a toffee. Then toffee price here, one toffee is equal to doll, teddy bear here. One toffee is equal to 6 rupees. One toffee is equal to rupees 6. Then Prachi bought total rupees 80 plus 6 is equal to 86 rupees. Anash Anash bought a ball. One ball price is 25 rupees and two tops. And here two tops. Here one top price is 10 rupees, means two tops price is rupees 20. See here, a ball means one ball is rupees 25 and here two tops rupees 20. Rupees 20 means here Anash bought how many rupees total? 5 4 means 45 rupees. Here Prachi bought total 86 rupees. Then next one, see this. Kimaya bought a pencil, one pencil, rupees 7, eraser, one eraser, rupees 6 rupees, and a pencil box. Where is pencil box? And a pencil box. Eraser price is here 6 rupees and a pencil box. Pencil box here rupees 10 rupees. See here, Kamaya bought a pencil. One pencil here 7 rupees. Then eraser and eraser. One eraser here rupees 6 rupees and a pencil box. One pencil box here rupees 10 rupees. Then total this 10 plus 6 16. 16 plus 7 23 rupees. Rupees 23. Here Kimaya bought total rupees 23. Then next one, see this. Fifth one question. Answer the following questions. Ajay has 3 coins of the same time. They are worth rupees 15 altogether. Which coins does he have? Ajay has 3 coins of the same time. Same type of the 3 coins. Here write Ajay has 3 notes. 3 coins of the same type. 3 coins of rupees 50. See here, Ajay has 3 coins of the same type of the 3 coins and total rupees 15 altogether. Then which coin does he have? See here. Here does he have 5 rupees 3 coins. 5 rupees 3 coins means here 5 5 10 plus 5 15 total rupees. Means Ajay has 3 coins of the 5 rupees. Second one. Mayur has 5 notes of same type. They make a total of rupees 50. 5 notes of rupees 50. Only 5 notes. Then you take here 10 rupees notes 5. 10 rupees 1 note. Sorry, 1 note here. 10 rupees 1 note. 10 rupees 1 note. You take here 5 notes of this 10 rupees. Then total this 50 rupees. 10 rupees. Total this 50 rupees. Next one. I want rupees 10. Which 2 coins will you give me? I want rupees 10 rupees. Rupees 10. Then how many coins? You take here 2 coins of this 5 rupees. You take here 2 coins of this 5 rupees. Means total is rupees here 10 rupees. Means firstly see here. Ajay has 3 coins of the same type and together is here rupees 50. Means you take here 5 rupees 3 coins. Then 5 notes of rupees 50. Means you take here 10 rupees of 5 notes. 10 5s are 50. Then rupees 10, how many coins? You take here 2 2 coins of this 5 rupees means 5 plus 5 10. Otherwise you take here 1 5 rupees coin, 1 2 rupees coin, 1 2 rupees coin, and 1 rupees coin means total here 10 rupees coin in this type. Then here total rupees 10. Again some examples. Again one question is remain sixth one. Again some examples in this sixth one question. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye. In homework you complete this today's class work.